Big up everybody we check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, the people might cuss the Prime Minister, saying the Prime Minister not only sell out Jamaica while selling out Cuba, but the opposition is now asking, is this one of the reasons why the Prime Minister can't tell the Jamaican public how he gets so rich? Has the Prime Minister made secret deals with companies and entities where people don't know about? Maybe we can hear what go on and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Just before you go, I'm wondering if Nationwide would ask the Prime Minister how is it that he can explain how other people got riches, but he's unable to explain his own riches according to the Integrity Commission. After 9 years in office, and only 18% of our students passing 5 subjects to include math and English, we now hear the government talking about choosing Jamaica. After 9 years in office and 55% of the population unable to feed themselves properly, they're now speaking about choosing Jamaica. After 9 years in office and 70% increase in the import bill of food items into the country, they're now speaking about choosing Jamaica. After 9 years in office and giving themselves 300% and offering impecunious returns to the minimum wage earners, they're now speaking about choosing Jamaica. Well, the people of Jamaica have decided that they're choosing change. Thank you very much and have a good afternoon.
Now tell me if you agree with the way the government has been handling the situation with North America, Cuba, and CARICOM. Or tell me if you always believe, say, with the strong links where Holness have to Bill Gates. And even though will it seem more in support of Donald Trump's opponent at the time, Ms. Kamala Harris, we didn't know say anybody become the president of North America would definitely be somebody who, anybody is the leader of Jamaica, would have tried to maintain strong ties with. Some people believe say the Prime Minister would have never made a stance with the Bayesian Prime Minister make, saying that she is willing for us not travel to North America until there's a new president. People that always believe say the Prime Minister wouldn't do that. Would never make any statements like that. Now, truth be told, most people want Jamaica to maintain good relations with North America. All the Jamaicans have friends and family. All the Jamaicans travel over there for business, work, vacation, you name it. So, of course, them no want, there is no issue, or the countries have no issues with them one another. You don't have tariffs that go on all over. Them no want no bad vibes with Jamaica and America. But some people are say with Jamaica saying that they want to become a republic, following the Bayesian Prime Minister. People are say then clearly the Jamaican government or the government in power now have a mind of them own. As when say the opposition already asked where the money are forward from. Is this one of the reasons why the Prime Minister can answer certain questions? Or do you believe that the Prime Minister has already answered and there's nothing left to be said? If that's the way you think, talk to me in the comment section. But if you believe otherwise, well, also let me know in the comment section, because the opposition still asks about it. The opposition still say doesn't mean clarified. Certain Caribbean countries standing together saying CARICOM. We see even some other members of CARICOM, some other prime ministers of other Caribbean countries. One who I think is the longest serving prime minister of that country. We see him already in support of the opposition leader. We see the opposition leader on an interview, and the host of a ask, is the opposition recruiting members of entertainment, because at this point in time, the opposition are the only party who see so much entertainers outspokenly a support. And we're not talking about some regular entertainers, some little artists who are just a forward in the business. We are talking about artists who are established artists, from the likes of Vibes Cartel to Buju Banton to Popcorn, Chronic Law, just to name a few. These are prominent names in the dancehall music right now. There's no dancehall party where I go right now. No big Jamaican event or cultural event right now. We're now going to hear music from the names we just mentioned a while ago. But the opposition say no. Entertainers just seemingly in support of their opposition for their own personal reasons. Some have been long time supporters. You know, some certain things happen and them decide say the opposition never gonna start the support. But as it pertains to the way the government is handling the situation, which this is the job of a government. These are the type of matters that governments handle. Do you believe that the government was prepared to handle things like this? And think about it. We won't talk about all other things we ask upon a day-to-day. The government still longer than the need. So them can't handle international politics and them can't handle what the people might ask for. Does that mean they are incompetent? May I ask them? The views of the people matter. All of this seems to happen right as the government plans for hold a general election. Is it a coincidence? Or as well, the opposition say, with this general election, the people will be voting out the government and putting in a new government, siding with the opposition on certain matters. Or do you believe, say, the government will still win? Based on how, or despite what people are saying in the media, based on what the government has done, people will remember that and vote for them again. Tell me a thing. Because you probably live different places. Yeah, people live at different places where, for one, what they might ask of the government is different from where next place I ask of the government. And for certain people, them believe say the government has done what they might ask for. So of course, those people are still going to be in support of the government. As I may always point out, it's a two-party system. So you always have people that support one party. You always have people that support the other. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me you think. If you're new to the channel, that's pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, of course, until we reason again, my sentiments for you and for yours, I want to live, love, and prosper, and also want to stay tuned. As I say, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And this is where I can continue reasoning from. Right this in the comment section. So until the reason again, live, love, and prosper, and stay tuned.